Hello everyone and welcome to the Academy. Alright, so today the subject is simple. How to make fast money, how to double your money fast and furious, especially right now in this recession, in this crisis, in this bear market. Alright, so have a look, listen to these, they are free advice and I'm telling you, short the market but use leverage. So to make $1 million, it will take you to double your money, to double $2,000 10 times in a row. Okay, so $2,000 times 2, you double it in some trades. Okay, it's 4,000, then 8, then 16, and so on. This way, 10 times in a row, you will make $1,024,000. Anyway, the point is this: take some chances. Dance more dances. Okay, so take some chances, just risk a little bit, don't be afraid, because this way will somehow help you out in the future. Analyze it properly. It is a bit of gambling. So again, the channel is for entertainment purpose only. I'm repeating myself, the channel is for entertainment purpose only, but listen, and I'm telling you what I'm doing. And whenever you hear some silly news, bad news, panicky news, try to squeeze and make money out of it. Okay, so squeeze that information and use the tools. And I'll give you one of the tools. It's in here, KuCoin futures. So go on KuCoin, get an account, go on futures. Okay, and just to give you an example, right now I am shorting ape coin. Okay, so I'm going in here, ape coin, it's ape perpetual. All right, right now the price is $3.85. The point is like this: I'm using, and on my trade I used 34x leverage. Okay, I can go up to 50x. So I know that the sentiment is bad about this token. Tomorrow there'll be a release. I watched some news, I saw some news. Tomorrow there'll be a flood of ape in the market, and they will sell it because that's the panicky sentiment. Okay, so I'm staying on these for another day minimum, and I'm watching the market. So have a look. Ape shorted. I use 34 x. You can use less, whatever is comfortable with you, but the point is shorted. And just to give you an example, this is my order. I enter with few $100, and the entry price, it's $4. Right now the price is $3.85. And just to show you, I made 118% profit at this second, so I'm gaining $709. Okay, I'm not going to close this trade, but I just show you this is live. All right, and I'm expecting ape to go further down. The second point of these, use options. And just to give you an example, go on Binance. On Binance, you go on options. Remember, go on derivatives, find options. Just to give you an example, BTC on US dollar, okay? You can do these: BTC, Ethereum, or BNB, like Binance token, all right? And if you feel like because of this market and everybody's panicky, I'm telling you, do this. Again, open an account, go on derivatives, go on options, and here, and have a look. I have an option, a contract which expires on the 30th. Okay, so one day before the New Year's Eve. Okay, so it's 30th of December. Okay, and the point is, I have some money on this contract. Okay, and I've been shorting it. It's a put contract, and this is a contract that says like this: anything that it's under 18,000, the price of Bitcoin, okay, under, it's my profit plus a little bit on top. So again, my contract is 18,000 December 30th put on BTC. So I am betting that BTC will stay lower than 18,000. And at this moment, I can ask for it roughly 1,200 for my contract. Okay. So one contract will cost me. You can buy smaller amounts. You can buy even, you can use $100, $200, $300 on these. So just to give you an example, I don't have a full contract. I have a 0.58. Okay, so I have 58% of one contract. So actually, the value of these is it's about $700, $800, somewhere there, $700. Okay, and I'm expecting Bitcoin in the next few days to go lower just because of the sentiment, the panic. Everybody stays right these days in US dollar tether, or they already withdraw their cryptos into fiat. Some of the people, they're expecting different news, so everybody's retreating on stable coins, on US dollar or BUSD or USDC. Anyway, this is the point. Short the market when the sentiment it's in this type of panic, and when euphoria comes back and we're going into a bull market, use these tools and go on calls type of trades. Okay, just to give you an example, 17,000. If I want to go bullish on Bitcoin, I would buy a 17,000 call. Okay, and it will cost me roughly $610. So I'm betting that, let's say, if Bitcoin goes about $19,000 in the next 14 days, I'm making $2,000, and I started with 608. Okay, have a look, 608. All right, so again, use Binance, use KuCoin, or there are different other platforms which they give you leverage. Don't be afraid. Try your guts. Just don't be afraid. Again, it's not financial advice. I'm telling you what I'm doing. But again, if you have a strong information, a tip that something goes down, we are short tests. So we educate you to analyze all the data, do your own research, and act accordingly. I'm just giving you some tools for you to use. And again, do your own research. This is informed gambling. I'm not a financial advisor. Again, the whole content is for entertainment purpose only. Thank you and have a profitable day.